How to add or remove the alarm, timer, or stopwatch clock widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the Add button. Once you're in edit mode, go down and tap on Add a control. Then in here, we scroll down and go to the clock section. In here, you can choose to add in the alarm, timer, or the stopwatch widget. So if you want to add in the other controls as well, just tap on Add a control and then scroll down and tap on timer. If you'd like to add in the stopwatch, you can do so as well. And that's it. Now swipe up to go back to the home screen. When you want to use the clock widget, simply swipe down to open up the control center. Then here we can start the stopwatch. We can set a timer. So 2 seconds, start. Here we'll cancel the timer. And the other one is the clock alarms. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you would like to remove the widget, simply swipe down and open up the control center. Then tap on the Add button. Tap on the Add button. Something going on there. I cannot tap on the Add button. Oh, there it is. So we just tap on the Remove button to remove the clock widget. And that's it. Thank you.